Oh no, she did. I know she not talking about me on Twitter and forum screen. I know she not talking about me on forum screen. I know she not, because she talk about me on forum screen. She gonna get a beating. Like, for real though. She don't know me like that. I will bang her. I would have pound her face and just like that. Like, just like that. For real though. Oh no, she talking about me on forum screen, like, where they do that at? Like, where they do that? They talking about these people on Twitter, like, where do they do that at? Like, that's a fucking L. What's the last thing I ate? Who? Nobody needs to know what the last thing I ate. Oh, for real though, like, right. No, they think they messing with, cause I got my deal on them. And then, oh, this you want to talk about the Uber. She emailed people, but then she ended up emailing me. Let me text her something. Why in the world is you talking about me on freaking Twitter? You know I don't like you, so there's no, just, I'm about to unfriend you and unblock you because you are such a little dirty hole. And you dumb? You stupid? I don't like you. You're ratchet? But still, oh, you want to email me back though? But still, I don't like you. You ratchet. You talk about people. You get beat up too much. You don't know how to fight. You dumb. You stupid. I don't like you. You look like Cupid. And your butt stink. And your face stink. And your stink. And your, I don't like you. You got something to say to my face. And that is from Miss Jakayla. I'm gonna say some more stuff to her, but y'all cannot hear that. I'm not gonna put it out there, cause I'm not gonna put her out there, cause she gonna get mad and she gonna get beat up. So I'm not gonna put her out there. And what? Send. Cause I will hurt that little ugly rat shit. She don't really know who she messing with though. Like, for real. She really don't know. Oh, now she want to text back. Oh, now she want to text back and say, I'm a slut. Girl, please. That's why you ratchet and your butt stank. Penny Nailer just came in. Talk about me on screen. Know who she talking about? Well, thanks for watching.